Here. Say Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Are you guys awake?
Huh?
Are you awake?
They're conscious of the fact that there are presents in front of them. You can open it, Derek.
Oh man, another ball! Yes, a Hello Kitty watch! Another ball!
What was in there?
It's Spider-Man!
The hat? Is that a hat?
Yes!
Put it on.
What's that on the Spider-Man?
We'll pull that off in a few minutes.
No,
Just
don't
pull
pull
the
it.
hat on. We want to make sure it fits you.
Cool.
Yes! Whoa, I got another ball, Mom!
I see it.
That's a cool ball too. Squish it.
What's Ben get?
Oh!
Jared,
Oh.
you can open more, babe.
Let me see the
ball.
hamster. Let me see the hamster.
Jared, open more.
Cool.
Ooh, what's this? This is a cool big present I got.
Go ahead.
What is this?
What is that, Jared?
Look, I got. What's in there? I hear it.
Turn around so I can see and sit down.
Another present. Oh, a cool icon.
Do you know what it is?
This is a cool present I got.
Let me see. This you can learn how to write better.
Yeah.
Your letters and stuff. What do you get, Spain? All I see is your back.
Pants.
Cool. School pants.
Look, there's a whole bunch of awesome. That's dragon.
That's Zippleback.
Oh, these are dragons, thing.
Yep. She got a dragon.
Oh, like a book. I got a book, Mom.
Open it up. What kind of book? Did you get, Spain? Let's see. Oh, cool.
That was one of your favorite ones from the movie, wasn't it?
Oh, Ammo with that.
It's Oscar.
That's
Oscar.
Oscar, Mom.
That's cool.
He's very cool. His tail's bigger, Mom.
I see. Spain's gonna grab you some more.
More. The other ones are mine with the dog. Sorry, Thank you, Spinny. Oh, this one's the cool. Ah! SpongeBob Betsy. I'm gonna open this one.
Cool.
Oh, my pants.
You got some pants?
I got a SpongeBob Betsy. I see him. I'm gonna have a SpongeBob bed. Awesome.
Cool.
Oh, cool.
What did you get, Chess?
Oh,
Haircut.
this is for not a whole bunch of dog presents.
What's that, Spain?
Ah! These are scared.
Pretty cool, huh?
I don't like them. They're gonna scare me. Not.
What are you getting, Chess?
Oh,
Has an attitude.
Mommy.
Aw, she got her pants.
Mommy.
Huh?
In there.
Santa didn't pick them out, so they must have been.
Look. Look, Stay, watch this.
Those only gonna fit me.
Oh, look.
I see.
Hi.
What's that
Come on.
do? Push his nose.
Push the button on his nose.
Stay, look. Oh, now you got Zuzu pad. Yeah.
And yours are different colors, so we shouldn't hear any arguing about whose they are.
Awesome.
What'd you get?
Cool.
Beetlejuice. I got got Beetlejuice Man in here.
Let me see.
Dad,
Where's Beetlejuice?
Beetlejuice.
Neat.
I wonder what Beetlejuice does.
Now bobblehead.
Holy cow! That's Beetlejuice.
He's cool.
Hey, look what I got. Cool. Yes.
Okay, another one. Yeah.
Cool.
I think that one's supposed to be a werewolf, and the other one's a Frankenstein girl.
Jared, rip it
I got
open. You're
more
slow.
unwears. Mom, I got another unwear.
I see.
Transformers unwears. Now I'm gonna open this one. I want to see what's in there. What is it? Spider-Man flashlight. Yeah, I got a Spider-Man flashlight. Mom, see what that flashlight I got. Oh, it's Spider-Man. And this is, I got two.
You hear it, Jared?
Yeah, crystal Spider-Man.
I know, but do you hear what it's saying? It's teaching you how to sound them out.
It's helping you with your letters.
Bunch of Francis things.
Well, yeah, and you got a whole bunch too.
Oh, another
A
one.
whole bunch more than you should have.
Cars. I got more cars. Oh, now I got more cars.
I don't know. Santa brought you more cars?
Got more cars. Ah, awesome. Ah. Another Whopper today. I got lots of yes.
What's that one?
What was
Read
that?
what it says.
Not so scary monster, bouncy monster.
That's pretty cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
There it is.
Another Hello Kitty blanket. Awesome. Zombie style. Bubble guns. I got bubble guns.
Cool.
Bakugan.
Let's see.
More. These are cool. I got bubble
And
guns.
zombie Hello Kitty. And Chas is gonna try and steal it.
Spain, look what I got. Look what I got, Spain. Spain. Oh, got more.
See what these are?
Oh, a movie. Another shark slider. I got shark slider.
Shark tail.
I just got dragon. Spain, look. Book 1. How to Train a Dragon book 2.
Yeah, dinosaur book.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I just said that for daddies.
Now you got it here too.
Jen.
Ah, cool.
Coolest
Something on your
thing.
hand.
Oh, these are what
So
the
you put it
dog
on your
did.
hand.
This one's really